Ever wondered what a perfect day looks like? Picture this: a sunny road, lined with leafy trees and quaint homes. Welcome to Lazy Alley Bliss. Meet our hero, Mr. Paws. Just a lazy cat soaking up the sunshine and living his best life, one stretch at a time. This isn't just any road. It's a symphony of laughter and the soft rustle of leaves. Can you feel that warmth wrapping around you? Check out that yawn. Proof that life is good when all you've got to do is lounge and soak up the sun, right? And here comes the dog squad. Even they know it's a lazy day perfect for chasing butterflies, not cars. Nature is putting on a show too. Look at those flowers. Each petal a little celebration of sunshine and joy. Caught you staring. Don't worry, Mr. Paws here is always up for some audience engagement. What do you think of this view? Nothing beats a cool drink on a sunny day. The neighbors have it all figured out, don't they? What's your go-to drink? And there goes Mr. Squirrel, showing us he's got no time for naps. Who needs caffeine when you have this kind of energy? Another yawn? This lazy cat is in full relaxation mode. How can it be this cute and lazy at the same time? Community vibes are strong here. Isn't it nice to have a neighborhood that feels like one big family? What's your favorite neighbor story? Oh look, the neighborhood band just landed. This melodic fellow knows how to make a sunny day even brighter. Sunlight dappled like nature's own artwork. Isn't it incredible how a simple road can be transformed into a magic carpet? Mr. Paws is getting groomed for his big moment. Who knew laziness could look so stylish? Ever seen a cat strut? Is there anything more joyful than kids speeding by on bikes? Next time, join them for a spin on this lovely path. Mr. Paws isn't too interested in barking buddies. Who needs excitement when a nap is on the agenda? As the sun dips low, the neighborhood turns golden. Isn't it poetic how every sunset prompts a new adventure? Mr. Paws is off to dreamland. And just like that, the lazy life wins again. What dreams do you lavishly aspire to? So what do you think about this scene? Who knew a sunny neighborhood with a lazy cat could bring so much joy? Now it's your turn. Find your sunny spot. Let the day slow down and soak in those good vibes. You deserve it.